extremely loud. It should be very silent. I have several of them. The others, you just can't hear them at all during the night. And this one is extremely noisy compared to the others. So this is a watch from IKEA. The movement is REIDA RD6833DRS. So I will disassemble it and we'll see why this movement is that loud. I'll start by removing the glass, then the hands. From the inside I have 3 pins. Again, the click system is to push them back to open and reach the hands. Now I will remove the hands by hand, just by pushing them up. First one, second one, and our hands. Here we don't have a screw that holds the movement on its place, but we have here 2 holders. Again, the click system. So now it's accessible by hand, everything. So it's much easier to remove the movement. Interesting movement. You see here is marked M8. It's written here. I think this is a quality movement actually, because it's very precise. Printed this here. But this is IKEA again, they will not put any shitty movement in their clocks. It's nothing special here. Then again, click system here and here. Any flat screwdriver will do the job. So just slowly and carefully. No force, no brute force, nothing. Just patiently open the click system. What is inside? Everything looks clean. We'll see if there are any residues on the wheels from something. These are the gears actually. The magnet wheel here. The wheels. This is the second hands wheel. Voila, looks pretty nice. This is the minute wheel and the gear to the hour wheel. Here we have the setting wheel. I will oil it a little and you'll see if something changes. Now I use a typical mechanical oil with a needle. I start to put some oil to the moving parts that touch each other in order to lower the friction and put everything back on its place. Gear wheel that was here, and on the wheel itself. And inside. Oil inside too. If there is surface that has friction, it should be moving much easily. Put it back together. Now I put the oil here, 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 and here too, a little, just to have all the moving parts lubricated, especially the metal parts that they have friction with the plastic parts, because they will, if they are not lubricated a little, they will just ruin the system. So now that goes here. the setting wheel. That's it. We got it. Now, last thing to do is to put loop here, 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 and here. 5 spots. Now, carefully, slowly putting it back. Good. By pressing it gently, we have the movement back together. Should be. It's much easily spinning with the second hand and a battery. I can't hear anything, honestly. It's like it's not functioning, but it is functioning. It is that silent. Great. Like so. And next thing to do is putting back the hands. Then the minute hand, the second hand, and it's running. I can't hear anything at all. Now the glass here and here. This is the clock after lubricating. Nothing to hear from it. Absolutely nothing.